With the perfect balance of savory and sweet, stir-fried, Thai, holy basil chicken is an incredibly delicious and flavorful dish. Hello dear friends and welcome to Kitchen Compass. Here I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken thigh chopped into bite-sized pieces. Marinate with 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and keep it aside for 10 minutes. I have about 10 cloves of garlic and 7 to 8 Thai chilies. Coarsely crush the garlic and the chilies. I've also taken 1/3 cup of shallots and sliced them. I've also taken a handful of Thai holy basil. For the sauce mix, into a bowl, add in half tablespoon of light or all-purpose soya sauce, half tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add about 100 ml of water and stir well so as to dissolve the sugar and mix the sauces. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add in the crushed garlic and chilies and saute for 2 minutes. The entire cooking is done on a high heat. Add in the chicken and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the sliced shallots and saute for a few more minutes. Add a little of the sauce mix and continue sauteing the chicken. Now the chicken is almost cooked through. Add in the remaining sauce mix and stir for a minute. Add in the chopped basil leaves, give it a mix and turn off the flame. The Thai basil chicken stir fry is ready. Serve it hot with jasmine rice or white rice and a fried egg. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.